Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make chicken Peshawari, which is a very flavorful and aromatic dish. Eating tender chicken with its rich and spicy curry made with traditional spices gives deeply pleasure. So let's start making it. This dish is incomplete without spices. So first of all we will prepare some spices for it. So here we will take about 10 cashews, 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, 1 spoonful of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Take 2 spoonsful of desiccated coconut and take a spoonful of fennel seeds. Now we will grind these spices finely in a mixture grinder. To boost the flavor of this dish, it is necessary to add all the spices. So here our traditional flavorful masala has been ground very well. Now we will keep it aside and prepare another masala. First of all, I bought 200 grams of green onion here. Clean this onion thoroughly and take it along with its green leaves. Then here I have taken 50 grams of chilies. It is about 7 to 8 spicy chilies. Now in whole spices I have taken a spoonful of cumin, 1 anise flower, 1 bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, 10 to 12 black peppers, a piece of mace, 2 small green cardamoms and 2 dry red whole chilies. Now add half a cup of water to the spices also and we'll prepare this also by grinding them finely. So here this paste is also ready. Now we will take a pan here. We will add 100 ml of oil to it. I am making around 700 grams of chicken here. So I have taken oil accordingly. As soon as the oil becomes hot, we will add 2 bay leaves to it. And also we will add the green masala paste that we had just prepared. Keeping the flame of the stove on a medium slow, we will fry the spices well while stirring it. Roast the spices thoroughly for about 5 minutes. When the spices start releasing oil and their rawness goes away and pleasant aromas start coming off it, that means these spices are cooked. So it has been 5 minutes we are roasting these spices. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste to it. And also we will add salt as per taste. Now fry it well on a medium-high flame for 2 minutes. We will add ginger garlic paste to it in last because ginger has a zesty flavor. It is important to cook it less to maintain the flavor and ginger also absorb all the oil when cooked. Hence if possible add it last. And garlic is cooked first because it has an intense pungency and to remove its raw taste and pungency, it is necessary to cook it first and only after cooking it, its flavor increases. So here garlic has also been roasted. Now we will add all the dry spices we had grinded. We will also fry this well on a medium-high flame for 1 minute. I have taken the quantity of spices according to 700 grams of chicken. So if the chicken is more or less, keep the quantity of spices accordingly. Now we will add 1 cup of curd to it and fry the curd for 1 minute on a medium-high flame while stirring well. Adding curd will add a little sourness to this gravy and this curd will help in tenderizing the chicken and will make it soft. So after cooking the curd for 1 minute, we will add 700 grams of chicken to it. I had already washed the chicken thoroughly with 3 to 4 times with water. Mix this chicken well with the spices and to cook it we will add a cup of water in it. And again we will mix it well and now we will cover the pan. Let this chicken cook with the spices on a very slow flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's important to add all the spices that we have prepared. This will give it a rich flavor and aroma. So if possible, don't skip the spices at all. So here the chicken has been cooking for 10 minutes. All the spices have mixed well with the chicken and the chicken is also cooked. We also check the chicken. You can see that the chicken here is completely cooked and tender. So now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste to it. Then add 20 whole garlic cloves and 10 dry chilies. We will also fry them well for 1 minute while stirring them. Now we will add 1 cup of fresh cream to it. This will give rich and smooth flavor to the gravy. Now add 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder to it. You can use any brand of chicken masala powder that is available to you. And lastly we will add 6 to 7 green chilies and finely chopped coriander. Now we will add water according to the amount of gravy we want. Don't make this gravy very thin. It has to remain thick. So here I am adding 1 cup of water to it. After adding water, we will mix all the spices well again. And after mixing the spices, we will bring this gravy to a boil on a high flame. So here very rich flavorful chicken Peshawari with tender chicken is ready. Adding fresh ingredients to it gives its taste a really robust flavor. So you should also try this and give feedback by commenting. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.